So, welcome back. We have just learned a lot about protecting our personal information, controlling our personal information. Well, so today we're gonna go through it a lot too. So fraud is a very bad word. It's a very not good word. I mean, I don't like that word. Okay, so what is fraud? Well, fraud is when someone use or another person account to steal money or utilize money for illegal purposes. And so that's why it is important to check your email, to check to monitor your account daily. So like let's say you're just on Google, you're just on a website to check your monitor, to check your stuff, to check if anything is alright. Then you see something. It said a check, a deposit, or a loan, and taking out your money. And it said it take out your $100, and you said, did I use this money? And you didn't recognize that money. So what you gonna do? Well, first of all, if someone gain access to your credit card or bank account and starts spending money without your permission, this is called fraudulent activity. So what you gonna do? You're gonna forget about it? No, of course not. If you're just checking it and then you saw it, what you gonna do? The first thing you're gonna do is that you're gonna immediately phone the financial company. Phone the financial advisor. Phone them to see how they can help us. If you phone them very early, very fast, at that point moment, then you won't lose as much money. I mean, you won't lose a dime at all. You won't lose any money if you phone them quick, if you make it very quickly. Not like you phone them quickly, but as soon as you see it, you immediately call the financial company to help you. Then you're in luck. But if not, you will end up paying for the money that you are not even spending for it. Someone's stealing your account, and you have to pay for it, even though you got nothing, and you still have to pay for it. So if you call the financial company as fast as possible, as soon as possible, you won't lose a dime. But if you don't, at least at a month, a very long time, then you would lose money. You'll have to pay for that money. So you must vigilantly about checking your account daily. If you don't recognize the charge, contact the financial company immediately, like I said. So most credit card companies have a fraud guarantee. So this means that if you notify that immediately, you will not be responsible for the fraudulent charge. But if you don't, then you would end up paying for that, like I said. So when you see a transaction in your account that you do not recognize it, you should call the financial company as soon as possible. Okay, here's a question. What is the $0 fraud guarantee? Well, this is provided by most credit card companies. So when you're a victim of fraud, the charge will be removed from your account, or it means that you will have to pay all charge but all your account in. The credit card company guarantees $0 of the current credit card charge. Let's see. So when you are a victim of fraud, the charge will be removed from your account. Yes, that charge will be removed from your account. But if you call the $0 fraud guarantee, they will help you and you won't lose a penny at all. But if you don't, bad luck for you. Okay, here's a real life situation. Brian today Brian checked for his account. He was monitoring his account. But he monitors account once a month. A month? Okay, let's keep going. He check it once a month, and today is one of the months, and he checked it. And he saw an unfamiliar, he didn't recognize some of the check. He thinks he's just gonna forget about it, and he do nothing about it. Oh no, this is a bad day for Brian. Well, we know that if we saw an unfamiliar check, what should we do? We should call the financial company immediately. But what did Brian do? He reckoned he'll just forget about it. So he did forget. And he didn't do anything about it. So he ended up paying for that money, which is not good at all. He ended up paying for the money. Okay, if he did call the financial company as soon as he see that, he might not have to pay for that. He might not lose a penny. But, of course, he forget about it. Bad luck for Brian. Sorry, Brian. I think after this lesson about fraud, you already know what you do when you saw like an unfamiliar check. You immediately know what you would do. Of course, you don't want to be like Brian, losing all his money. Thank you for coming, and have a good day.